Shall we start the class, children?
Okay.
So last time we just told that we will start the extra questions. This is what optional exercise, right? 3.7. So first question, you just try to understand, children. The age of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Ani's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Ani's, and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The age of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the age of Ani and Biju. So where to start, children, this question? Where to start? The age of two friends, Ani and Biju, is differ by 3 years. It means that we just let, okay. This is two variable, this one, children, right? Pair of linear equation, two variables. So we just let X and Y, okay. So let the ages of Ani and Biju, just write down. Let the ages of Ani and Biju is X and Y respectively, okay, respectively. So now Ani father Dharam, so this one is nothing but 3 years difference is there, no, children. So two cases coming. Suppose one case is like Ani and Biju is there, no. Just let Ani be more or something. Differ, we don't know which is more, which is less. Suppose if Ani is elder, okay. Then what we can write, children? It means that Y is equals to X plus 3.
X plus 3.
We can write like this. And if Biju is elder, then what we can write? X is equal to Y plus 3, correct?
Sir, I think you took little different, sir. You have taken Ani as X and Biju as Y.
Ani is X, yes. Ani as X, Biju as Y, correct? What, something wrong
So
is?
this will change, right? Here, Ani is elder, so X equals to Y plus 3 will be there.
See, suppose you just think that if Ani is elder, suppose Ani age is 33, Ani age is 33 and Biju age is 30, okay. So where you should add? Acha, you are
Yeah, I was saying to change the variables.
Yeah, correct. So what we should consider, let the ages of Ani and Biju be X and Y respectively. So Ani is elder, so we can write like this. So this is X. Ani is elder means, yeah, correct. So we should change the variable over here, right?
Yeah.
So right here, X is equal to Y plus 3, right? And this is Y is equal to X plus 3. Now next part they have given here is Ani's father, Dharam, is twice old as Ani Biju. What they given here? Ani's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Ani. So what we can write here? Dharam age is what? What is the Dharam age? Dharam age. What is Dharam age over here? Ani father is twice as old as Ani. The Ani is X. The Dharam age is how much? 2X, correct? Dharam's father will be what? 2X?
Yes, sir.
And
I think it's
Biju.
2 into X plus Y. As it is old as Ani and Biju.
No, Biju here and Biju is this. No, Biju is this part. Biju is Ani and Biju is twice. That is a different sentence. Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. So what you should do now? Now Kathy age, what we can write? Kathy age is Kathy age. Biju is twice as old as sister Kathy. So Biju age is here how much? Y. So Kathy age is what? Y by 2. Is it clear or not? Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here we got to know that Dharam is older than Kathy, right? Dharam is older than Kathy. This Dharam is there, no? Dharam. This is older than Kathy. Why? Here we got to know, no? Or not? Dharam age is 22x. Kathy age is y by 2. Then what they've given, the ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. So difference between these two is how much? 30 years. So Dharam age is more. So 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30 years. Anyone can tell me how Dharam age is more? Anyone can tell me how Dharam age is more than Kathy? Anyone can tell me? Yeah, tell Samarth or Javian. Just try to understand that. Tell me, Drishi,
Sir.
how Dharam age is?
So Dharam is 2x and Kathy is y by 2. So 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. And so 4x minus y is 60. That's how Dharam is older than Kathy.
Acha, if you write like this, y by 2 minus 2x is equal to 30. If you do like this, then what will the problem? What is the problem here? How you get to know that?
You are inverting the signs.
Hmm?
You have inverted the signs. Right? If we do it like that, then it would be minus 30 is the correct answer.
Minus 30 will come. How I'm saying that how Dharam is elder than Kathy. I'm asking question that how Dharam is older than Kathy.
The 2x equals to 30 plus y by 2. As y by 2 is the age of Kathy and 2x is the age of Dharam. Answer, if we bring y by 2 towards the side of Dharam, so 2x minus y by 2 equals to 30. This will be
okay, fine, leave. So here we can write 4x minus y is equals to 60. We can write like this from this question. Is it clear, this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next, what we could do now what we can do, this is the first equation. Now which equation we should consider? Now one more equation we need, right? Which equation? Either this one or this one, correct? Which one equation is correct? Which is correct over here? Tell children which is great, which we should consider over here. X is equal to y plus 3 or y is equal to x plus 3?
Y equals to x plus 3, right?
How? Why Biju? How Biju is greater? They have given anywhere.
Yeah, and the age of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years.
Differ by 3 years. So we should consider first one or second one. That is this main no.
Sir, I was saying because Ani is given first and Vijay is given second, so they differ by 3 years.
If the two friends Ani is before, that's why 3 years Ani is more. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, consider one by one. You'll get to know what they're asking here. So if we'll take x minus y is equal to 3, then what we'll get? And once we consider x minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, then what is coming? Solve this both equations. What do you get? So here, if this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become minus. So we'll get 3x is equal to 63, x is equal to 21, right?
21.
And if x is equal to 21, then y is equals to what? Y is equal to minus is
24.
coming. Huh?
24.
24.
24, right?
Okay. 24 is given, no?
Yes, sir.
And if you are considering this one, then you write here 4x minus y is equal to 60 and x minus y is equal to minus 3. Then minus plus plus. So this will get cancelled. So here 3x is equals to 57. The x is equal to 19. X is equal to 19. Then x is equal to 19. Then y is equal to what? 23, right?
23. 22.
22. So there are two situations are coming, right?
Yeah.
So both will be, both chances will be there, right? Both are correct only then. Now the 19 and 22, and then next is what?
Sir, 21 and 24 is correct.
Why 21 and 24? 19 and 22 is not correct.
No, sir, it's not.
No, sir.
Why?
Because it's given in NCERT solutions.
No, you should not consider that way. You can consider here also. You put here what is coming correct, that you can check. See, you put the x value. What is NCERT solution they have given? X is equal to
21, y equals to 24. The first, by considering the first one.
now you put here, you will get to know 2 into x, that is your 2 into 21, that is 42 minus 12 is equal to what? 30 is coming from here, right? And if you put 19 and 22, it's coming same. Just check. 19 2s are 38. And
Sir, we are
minus,
getting both correct, sir.
both correct.
Yeah, but that y must not be 22. As if we put 16 minus y equals to minus 3 is there.
1 minute, we do it correctly from here.
X equals, it's or is given, right? Here in answer.
Achha, or is given.
Yeah. But the second one, we have got the y as incorrect.
Achha, okay, fine. Wait, let me check once again. We just extend this one down 1 minute. So let me extend a bit more. These questions will take long time.
Yeah.
So first equation we consider it as what? 4x minus y. 4x minus y is equal to 60. And you take x minus y is equal to 3. X minus y is equal to 3. So just change the sign over here. Minus plus minus. This will get cancelled. 3x is equal to 57. So x is equal to 19. Is it coming? X is equal to 19. Check. No.
Sir, it's coming, sir. X is equal to 19.
But y is equal to 22 is coming over here.
No, y is 16 according to that.
Yeah, y is 16. If x is equals to 19, so this is the first case, right? X equal to 16 they have given, correct?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 16. But if you see any of the equation, if you put, you'll get 22 only, right? X is equal to 19. If you put, you'll get y is equal to 22.
In the second equation, sir, actually the equation is wrong. Yes, sir, it must be minus 3. As sir, Biju is greater, older, right?
If Biju is older.
So x plus 3 will not be there.
If Biju is greater, it means we are comparing x and y, right?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
So if Biju is greater, it means x plus 3 only should do, no?
Sir, probably
Yes,
it's
sir.
a printing mistake, sir.
Where?
Like, sir, in the answer, sir, it is a printing mistake.
I don't know.
Because in the thing, sir, like, even in the answers, it is given 19 minus y is equal to 3. But it should be minus 3, which they have missed.
Okay, anyway, second part we'll just check once. This is 4x minus y is equal to 60 and x minus y is equals to minus 3. These you just understand what is the answer we're getting from here. Minus plus plus. This will get cancelled. So 3x is equal to 57. Here also is coming same answer. No, 63, no. So x is equal to 21. If x is equal to 21, then y is equal to what? 24. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So,
Hmm. So 16 they are giving, no? That only we are doing mistake. But this is correct as per by that. Correct, no? So we are correct, no? Okay, once again, you children check. I think this would be correct. Only this one you are mismatching, right? This one you are saying x is equal to 16 should not come. Means it should come, right?
y equals to 16 should.
Y equals to 16 should come, sir. Not-
Yeah. Y is equal to 16 should come. But in both the cases, what is happening, children, you know? Both the cases, one thing I'm just considering over here. One case, x should be lesser, no? In both the cases, x is lesser and y is more. Correct? In both the cases. You have observed this. In both the cases, x is less and y is more. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But that is should not be there, no? That should not be there, right?
Yeah, that's why here answer is given 16. Right?
One case, either means Ani should be elder, and one case Biju should be elder, right? In that way, you should solve.
Yes.
And both case here -3 have taken. Here, see, we have did wrong, no? Here, if we consider in this case, it's coming like x is equal to 21 if you put. The 21 minus y is equal to -3. So y is equal to 24 only it's coming. What is happening? That is answer is correct only as per this question. Answer is correct because if x is 19 here, y should be 16 only because one is more, one is less. 19. Y is 22. Yeah. See, children, here in the question, if you see, this should be 19 only. Y x is 19 is coming, right? How x will come 19 over here? Check. 19 minus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 19 minus 3 is 16 only. No, you are not observing over here. So y is equal to 16. Understood or not? Check. It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
We are just small mistake we are doing over here. That's it. It's clear now. Shall we move ahead? Is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone? It took
Clear,
long
sir.
time. One
Yes,
small
sir.
mistake did long time. Okay, question number 2. Others and all, you are having doubts? Any doubts in this question?
No, sir.
Chanchal, Drishi, Hemant. Hemant, Samarth. Samarth is
No,
not
sir.
having. All right. So next question is question number 2. Bapre. All are word problems only here. One says, give me 100 friend. I shall then become twice as rich as you. Means if one friend will give 100 rupees to other, then other friend become what? Double than the other friend. So what if was let, if this is a pair of linear equation, two variable let the both friends have x and y, rupees x and y. Okay. The first condition what they are given. One says, give me 100 friend, I shall become twice as rich as you. It means that one friend amount will be one friend amount. If give me 100 rupees, if
Sir,
x,
x plus 100 and y minus 100.
yeah, correct. If one friend is having x plus 100, the other friend will be obviously having what? Y minus 100. Very good. This is the first condition. So double is happening means what is happening? X plus 100 is equal to y minus 100, you write. So which is twice? This is twice or this is twice? Which is twice? This first friend is twice or second friend is twice after giving the money? This friend is first friend will twice, no?
Yes, sir.
See, this friend is gaining the rupees and this is losing. So what is telling that if this one will give 100 rupees to this guy, this become twice, right? So we have to do ulta, multiply here 2. Why we are multiplying 2 on the other side? You understood? Because we are having so much questions we have done based on this. Suppose this is Rasul and this is Samarth or Javian Samarth. So this is twice. So you should multiply with the smaller one. They only become equal, right? If
Yes,
this,
sir.
that's why we multiplied ulta over here. Got it, children? So x plus 100 is equal to 2 into, you can solve this now. X plus 100 is equals to 2y minus 200. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 100. Sorry, minus 300. Correct? X minus 2y is equal to what? Minus 300. This is the first equation. Now, second equation, other implies that if you give me 10, other implies that if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Ulta now, if x minus 10 you write, this is the second case. I'll just write here. This is the first case. This is the second case. What is happening here?
It's hard because there are 3 types of variables.
Huh?
One is x, another is y, and third one is xy.
Which is, where is third one?
It's one of them is xy, sir.
Where you're reading? I don't know. Where you're reading? I don't know. XY, how it is coming XY? Product you are saying. Samarth, how XY is coming?
Sir, by getting the products, I took, sir, 2 equations. X plus 100 equals to 2y, y plus 10 equals to 6x.
Okay, okay. Let me check whether your both equations are correct or what. Cx minus 10 or y plus 10 you write here. You should multiply where with 2. You should multiply here with 2, no? Like this only you should come, right? Second equation.
Why are you doing plus 10 minus 10?
No, minus this. See, what if you give me 10? Y told if you give me 10, then I shall be 6 times. 6 times. So you should multiply here 6. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With 6, we need to multiply.
Understood, Samarth, or not?
Yes, sir.
If y tell to x that if you give me 10 rupees, I'll become 6 times as rich as you. So 6 into x minus 10, that becomes 6x minus 60 is equals to y plus 10. So 6x minus y is equals to 70. So this is your second equation. Now you can solve both the equations. 6x minus y is equal to 70 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 300. Can you solve this, children?
Yes, sir.
Simply you multiply this. This is minus y, no? You multiply by 2. So what will come? Say 12x.
So 12x x minus 12x is equal to minus 300 minus 140, which is equal to minus 11 into 440. X is equal to 40, sir.
So this only now what I'm doing right now, minus plus plus. This will get cancelled. 11x is equal to 440. The x is equal to what? 40, correct?
40. Yes, sir.
Then y you can solve. Put the value of.
So y is 170, sir.
Okay, y is 170. Fine. Anyone having doubt? Anyone? Drishi? Others? No one. Today no one has on the camera. I just remember it. I'm just didn't remember only. Hemant, last time also you were absent. Last time, Hemant, from 2 classes I'm observing you.
Sir, I was there, no, sir.
Last class you were there.
Yes, sir, I was there.
I didn't remember. Last class, I
No,
don't
sir, I
think.
was there. I was there.
You, Teja, and Javian was absent, I believe.
Yes, sir, I was
extra class.
absent.
On Saturday.
For extra class, I didn't.
Yes, on Saturday I was absent.
Saturday, I'm saying, not extra class. Saturday class, normal class.
Saturday, I think I did come, sir. Saturday.
No, I just calling the name also. Teja and this one and Hemant and Javian were absent. Like that's calling the name. What, Samarth, what happened?
About the pairs, sir. If this one did not come, the other one also does not come.
Now second one you see Rasool.
Sir, actually, like I'm not in Hyderabad currently. I'm in Patna right now. I'm joined through mobile. So
Acha, fine, Rasool. All right.
okay.
A train covered a certain distance at an uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km/h faster, it would have 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km/h, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km faster. If the train would have what? 10 km faster. So before just let the train will be what? Let the original speed be x. You can write. Let the original uniform speed. Let the speed you write. Let the uniforms. Then let the speed of the train. The speed of train be x. Okay. X km/h. If the train would have take 21 faster, then time taken 2 hours less. Then if distance, the train would have 10 km faster. Now become what? Train 10 km faster. Then what we can write? 10 km faster per hour faster. Then what will be the speed of it? X plus 10 km/h, right? It would have taken 2 hours. It would have taken what? 2 hours less than the scheduled time. The time before time, what is the time before? Let before time and time taken to complete journey. To complete journey. Be y hours. Can we write like this? Because they are telling about time also. If you see the question here, they are talking about you to have 2 hours less than the scheduled time. So what is the scheduled time? Y hours. Before it was what? Y hours. Okay. The speed into time is what? Distance. Distance is equal to what? Speed into time. The total distance is equal to nothing but speed into time. That is x into y. We'll just see what is the use of it. The first we are just finding distance is xy kilometer. Speed is x km/h. Time taken is y hours. Now 10 km faster. If train, this is the case one. Case one. If 10 km faster, then what happens, children? Case one is 10 km faster, x plus 10, and 2 hours less. Time is 2 hours less. It means y minus 2 hours. Then what is happening here, children? Have 10 faster, 2 hours less than scheduled time. So what to do, children, over here? What to do for this?
So xy is equal to x plus 10 and y minus 2.
Acha, you meant to say that this is time means total distance is equals to speed into time, right? Speed into time is equal to distance,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So speed is your 10x plus 10, and time is nothing but y minus 2.
y minus 2.
So if you multiply this xy, then minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equals to xy. The xy will get cancelled. So you can write only minus 2x plus 10y is equals to 20. This is the first equation, right? Is it clear, children? This is the first equation.
So I'm getting first equation as minus x plus 5y is equal to 10.
Yeah, if you solve this, no, then you'll get the same thing because you're dividing by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So now next, this is the first equation, children. Second equation is that
X
is
minus 10
slower
and
by
y
10.
plus 3.
Okay. The case 2 is if slower by 10, this now speed becomes, now the speed is nothing but x minus 10. It would have taken 3 hours lesser. And time is become y minus 3, right?
So y plus 3 and x minus 10. Speed is
3 hours more, yes. 3 hours
Yes, sir.
more. Train is 10 minutes slower. Now what you're saying? Speed is x plus 10.
So speed is x minus 10 and time is y plus 3.
Yeah, take care. So y plus 3 is equals to xy, same. Now you can solve xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equals to xy. The xy will get cancelled. So you can write it as 3x minus 10y is equals to 30. This is the second equation, children. Okay. So here you can solve easily. If you add only now, you'll get the answer. How? See, I'm just doing over here. First, I'm just writing first plus second I'm doing over here. So 2 minus 2x plus 10y is equals to 20 and 3x minus 10y is equals to 30. So on adding this will get cancelled. We'll get x is equal to 50, right? You are getting x is equals to what? 50. Then y you can put anywhere, you'll get the answer.
So x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 12.
So where you're putting y value? Where you put in?
Yes, sir. X equals y equals to 12 actually.
Javian,
Y equals to 12.
Yes, sir.
which equation you put? Y is x is equal to 50.
So 15y minus 10y is equal to 30. Then so 5y is equal to 60, y is equal to 12, sir.
Acha, okay. So you'll get y is equal to 12, children, and xy you multiply here. The xy, this total distance is 600. Is it clear, children, to everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is taking long time. See,
Yes,
this
sir.
type of questions.
So
Just
word problems takes a lot of time, sir, to solve.
But this will come in 5 marks, children, in the board exams.
So I got my marks.
Drishti is trying to tell something, I think, but her mic is not working properly.
So I got my marks for my midterm exam, sir, which happened.
How much you got?
37 out of 40.
You are from Sri Chaitanya, right?
Yes, sir.
37 means topper only in Sri Chaitanya. They are nonsense people. Whole bap, they're just torturing in the college actually. That school is like torture.
I know, sir.
Same thing they will just keep for the evening also. Morning what they will teach, no, they will keep you for the evening also. And they'll tell revise here only.
So now they have like made a thing like morning, whatever subject you learn on that subject base, you'll have tests on each subject at the evening.
So next question is, the student of a class are made to stand in a rows. If 3 students are extra in row, there would be 1 row less. See how technical questions they have given over here. So these are talking about row and column, right, children?
Yes, sir. So I've actually done this problem, sir.
When?
It came in the exam.
The same question is came.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you should might be let rows be X and column be Y like that only, no?
Yes, sir.
If 3 students are extra in row, it will be 1 row less. The students are less in row, then it have 3 and 2. So how to do? Tell me.
So the numbers of students in a row will be y plus 3.
First is let the number of rows, right?
Yes, sir. Let the numbers of rows be x and the numbers of students in each row be y.
Number
Then, sir,
of rows
be x.
bx and
And the number of students in each row be y.
okay, number of students in each row.
The total number of students is equal to xy.
Okay. Total number of a student bxy. Why children understood why it is happening xy? Because suppose rows are x, 1, 2, 3 rows are there, and y children have there 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3 we should do. If you multiply, then you'll get total number of students. Okay. So these are the students, number of students in each row, and total number of row is x. If you multiply, then you'll get the total number of students. Okay. After this, Javian.
So after this, in case 1 is when there are 3 more students in each row.
So
There are 3
3
more students.
three
And-
more. Means
Yes,
x
sir.
plus 3. Now we become a number of
No,
students become.
sir. Not x plus 3. It is y plus 3.
That one I'm saying. Number of a student becomes now y plus 3, right?
Yes, sir. And numbers of rows equal to x minus 1.
Number of rows is equals to
X minus 1.
x minus 1.
Then, sir, total number of students is equal to x minus 1, y plus 3.
Then it's easy now. So this is the first equation, right? Y plus 3 into x plus 1. This is the first equation, no?
Yes, sir. So, like, if you solve that, you will get 3x minus y is equal to 3.
Okay, fine. Case 2. Case 2 is the 3 students is less. The number of a student is what?
So, y minus 3.
Y minus 3 and number of rows
X plus 2.
x plus 2. Then the total number of a student is equal to
X plus 2, y minus 3.
y minus 3 into x plus 2. And you should get the second equation.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So you should solve these 2 equations, children. You'll get the answers. Okay. Is it clear? You can solve.
Yes, sir.
Others, you can solve these questions. Praharshan,
Sir.
Hemant. Who is Drishti Kumar?
Sir, who?
I don't know. Someone is joining now.
Sir, left, sir.
I don't know. Okay, anyway. The fourth question you can solve, children. Fourth question is easier now. Now, next question we do question number 5th. In a triangle ABC, angle C is equals to 3 angle B is equals to 2 angle A plus angle B. Find the 3 angles. Who will tell the answer for this? How to explain this one? In triangle ABC, angle C is equals to 3 angle B is equals to 2 angle A plus angle B. So how to do, children, over here? Angle C is equal to 3 angle B is equals to A plus B, angle A plus angle B. How to do? Hemant, how to do? Others, anybody of you? Can we do by let K, if you just take, if we can do it, this one. Angle C is equals to angle B is equals to 2 angle A plus angle B is equal to K. If you let, we can do or not, just check. So angle C is equals to K, we write. Angle B is equals to K by 3. Angle A plus angle B is equal to what we can write? K by 2. Correct, children? Is it clear to all of you?
So we can do it by x and y also, sir.
Yeah, obviously this chapter is based on a pair of linear equation only. So obviously you can do by x and y. This is the most easier, children. If any triangle is coming in the exam, no, this is the most easier way to solve, because you let K, angle C, all three are equal to each other. So angle C we can write K, angle B we can write K by 3, angle A plus angle B can write K by 2. Is it clear, Hemant, Adarsh? Now Javian, is clear to you also or not? This much.
Yes, sir.
You can do by that also, not a problem. Yeah, that is x and y. But this is the easiest method. What you have to do? If you do by x and y again, it will become again longer. So we know that sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree, right? So what you write here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to what? 180 degree by angle
180 degree.
by angle sum property. So angle A, what we can write for angle A? Angle A is equals to K by 2 minus angle B, correct? Bhola Baba. Someone is joining. I don't know who is this. Okay, children, see here K by 2 minus angle B. Again, you can write here.
So you can do one thing, sir. You can remove him and lock the meeting, sir.
Why? Who is a new student? New student or what? I don't know.
Sir, someone
Hemant's
is
name
joined,
Bhola
sir.
Baba, sir.
Huh?
So someone is joined, sir, by that name. It's
I
not
don't
a
know.
student.
Shall I remove? Who is Bhola Baba? Someone else, actually. I don't know.
Sir, not from our class, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Shall I remove?
Sir, why don't you just let him in and see what he does?
Yeah, wait. Maybe someone, parents, who knows? I don't know. Or teachers, no. Teachers, I don't know. Actually, I don't know him. Anyway, children, try to understand. So K by 2 minus angle B plus angle B plus K is equals to 180. Can we write like this? See, instead of A, what I've written, K by 2 minus B, and B is as it is, and plus K is equals to 180. Is it clear, children? So I'm not putting angle B is equals to K by 3 because this here only we can get cancelled over here, right? Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So K by 2 plus K is nothing but 3K by 2 is equals to 180. So K is equals to 180 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. If it disturbs, then I'll remove, not a problem.
Sir, I think you have to report to the higher authorities, sir, because it's happening in the science class also.
Is it? Actually, I will not allow. I don't know. I thought some
Yes, sir.
student.
In science class also it was happening, sir. Someone named iPad, all those random people can join.
I don't know. Here, actually, what is happening? First time, actually, these people are joining in my class. Nobody is joining in.
Sir, remove them from your
And this is
classroom
getting.
on WhatsApp, or they will join every day.
See what happens. No. So first of all, from our class only someone will send the code. No, but code who will send?
It's not possible, sir. How are you saying it? It's
So-
not possible. You have to
can enter
join.
code
You have to
and-
take him in the voice classroom.
Okay, fine.
So, and Wise Classroom will only give the code. It will not give the password, sir.
Yeah, correct. So see, children, here what is happening over here? K is equal to, we're getting 120. It means that angle C is directly, we can write 120. Angle B, we can write 120 by 3. That is what? 40 degree. And angle C directly, angle
Angle
A,
C.
angle
Angle
A.
A equals to 20 degrees.
That's it. 40 by 60 by 80. Huh. So Javian, your method is easier or this method is easy?
Sir, this method, sir.
This method is easy, no? So like this, you can do these questions, not always by X and Y method, because exam they won't ask. You do by player equation, two variables
Sir, we
only.
are gonna get MCQs only, sir.
Yeah, this time you're getting FCQs only. Yes, correct. Now, I thought, no, might someone is not listening or somebody is not there, might be joining by some other ID. I thought in that way. That's why I just allowed them. In science class, who has come? iPad.
Yes,
Sir, it was a long time ago.
and recently also someone came, sir.
Yeah.
He was saying Rashul's name that time, but then it wasn't him who sent the link.
Someone joined with Srishti. Srishti, someone joined.
Sir, pakka that person only, sir. We'll continue the class.
Okay. Now see this question, children. Draw the graph for the equation. This is easy, children. Nothing is there in this. Okay. First, you draw the graph. Then what you should do, you can determine the vertices of triangle. Suppose I'm just giving an example to you how to do this. Okay. This type of question always coming in the board exam, children. Try to understand. See, the graph will be there like this. Suppose you are getting a graph. Wait. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. See, you are getting, suppose it is coming like this. Okay. So they are saying the formed by these lines means this is a triangle. It is coming like this. Okay. So example I given, I don't know how the triangle will form. You should see the y-axis. If you're finding this, you should see the y-axis, this one, and these two lines, this triangle form. No, this area you should find. So this area you can find easily, right? This distance, you know. This height also, you know, from this to this. The base into half, base into height you do and find the answer. Okay, children? Is it clear what I'm saying? First, you draw the triangle by the help of these two equations. Then from the y-axis, just see which triangle you are considering. After that, just apply half base into height. That's over. Is it clear, children? Javian, is clear, no? You have done,
Yes, sir.
might be you knowing, right?
Yes, sir.
Like
While
this,
practicing, I did.
same only, no?
Sir, like there will be like two triangles forming, and like they are very tiny triangles, sir.
Acha, okay. So what is the area of the triangle? They're asking area or what? They're asking the coordinate or what?
So they're asking the coordinates of the triangle.
Acha, coordinates. But in exam also, children, they will ask sometimes this area also. Okay. The area you can find half base into height. So here in this case, you should find only this this coordinates, this coordinate, this coordinate, and this coordinate. This is wrong, completely wrong. But you just draw this diagram, okay? By the how to draw this.
Yes, sir.
You put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. If you put, see first one, if you put x and y, x is equal to 0, you put the y is equal to -5. If y is equal to 0, you put x is equal to 1. Okay, children? Is it clear? And
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, you gave two coordinates already, sir.
So this is not required. It means you can draw exactly if you want, okay, by the help of these coordinates. Now second coordinate is here, x and y. You put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to -3. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Okay, this is the same thing, children, is coming, right, Javian?
Yes, sir. Like, sir, there is one more coordinate which is 2 by 3.
No, it's not.
X is 2 and y is 3.
That is automatically come. If this one you just join, no, automatically that will come, Javian. This figure you draw, this both, no, automatically that will come off. Okay, children, you just draw and get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Now next. Okay, let me check. Anyone wants to play quiz now? Children? It becomes
I
so
want to
six
place
question. Which topic?
equation in two variables.
Two variables only.
Sir, applications of trigonometry is better.
Application of trigonometry. Okay. And last time was there, no? We just play application of trigonometry. Quizzes. QUI. Children, I'm sharing the link. Just try once. Don't think you will get less marks or more marks. Just try. Just okay, children. You get 0, not a problem. Ask your doubts. If you are having doubt, you just ask your doubts. Why you are not able, which part you are having doubt, and all just ask. Okay. Here there is no prize distribution over here. So whatever you just do wrong, not a problem. If price distribution there, at any level we can go down, right? If any price distribution is there, then any level we can go down and we can get somehow we try to make it number 1, number 2 like that. But here there is no reward actually to the student right now. So do by your own and check your talent, ask your doubts. Join now. Others, Drishi only have joined. Two children join right now. Tum 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 tum. Five children join. Who is not able to join over here? Drisi, Shamar, Praharsan, Adarsh. 4 children only joined. Hemant, what happened? You are able to join or not?
Trying, sir. I'm trying.
Praharshan, Chanchal. Praharshan has joined. Chanchal, what happened to you? So many children left right now. Hmm.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
unable to join, sir.
Okay, Hemant, if you're not able to join, then you can leave, not a problem. Okay, Hemant, or if you want to be here, you can be,
I
or
will,
you
sir.
can,
I will stay.
or if you want to join by that one, no, by directly quiz, by going quiz, you can put direct that code also. Okay, I'm starting, children. Only there are 10 questions, not more.
Sir, mine is over, sir.
Over.
Yeah,
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Others, you want to join right now? Still want to do? Others, do. I'm waiting for you. Okay, others, you can. Okay, others, you can leave now.